Ladies and gentlemen of the outdoor power industry, prepare for a breakthrough in safety. Longhui Sanhe Advanced Fire Doors. You power the world facing harsh conditions every day, but fire risk remains a serious threat. Electrical sparks, flammable materials and unpredictable weather create dangerous situations. That's why we offer a solution: high-performance fire doors designed to protect your facility, operations and people. Imagine the damage a fire can cause: uncontrolled flames, destroyed equipment, halted operations and lives at risk. With our fire doors you gain critical time during emergencies. Built with precision and cutting-edge fire-resistant technology, they contain flames and smoke, helping your team evacuate safely and respond effectively. These doors act as strong barriers, stopping fire from spreading. Once installed, they bring real peace of mind. No more constant worry, just confidence in your safety measures. Your employees are your most valuable asset. By installing our fire doors, you show them you prioritize their safety. This trust empowers them to work confidently and efficiently. Choosing our fire doors isn't just buying a product. It's investing in the long-term safety and success of your business. Don't wait. Click the link below to learn more, explore special offers, and take action today to protect your business, your people, and your future.